Alright, so if you don't have the tool to undo this, you can just use your hands. I prefer gloves because I don't like to get oil on my hands. A couple minutes later. Be careful, it'll be dripping. So we gotta get these out right here. Those. There's another one down there. Look at I'm gonna go over there and do that one. Can you do that one over there?
Yeah.
No, he's back there. Watch, we're emptying my transmission.
Pour out. Yeah. No, it is gonna soak your head. See? See?
What are you puking? I'm pretty sure.
Well, I'm not connected to the thing.
There's one.
I wouldn't pull it out.
Yeah. Ideally, you want a smaller screwdriver for this.
Because this just like, there we go. The thing that gets me is look how many freaking gaskets there are.
We got new filter. She just goes on like this. There you go. You want to do a half turn past hand tighten on that. Yeah, I'm gonna use the rag.
It's a slow fade. As the oil goes away, it's a slow fade. As royal purple turns to gray. Turns to black.